What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to drive an order picker. Yay, yay. Before you start, you want to make sure you have your harness securely connected. Next, you want to go through your checklist and make sure that everything is good to go. Gates in proper place? Yep. Yep. Fall protection equipment? Let's see. It's good. Fire extinguisher in place. Bam! Any oil leaks? Dry as a bone. No physical damage. She's beautiful. The first thing is your dead man. That's your source of power right there. Without your foot being on it, you will not go. Dead man. Without it, you're dead man. Steering wheel. Left. Right. Throttle. Forward. Backwards. Raises your truck and brings you back down. And most importantly, the horn. Emergency disconnect or e-stop that kills all power. This here is your pallet clamp. It secures your pallets in place. And when you want to release it, there's a little lever here. Push. And there you go. Remember to always look both ways and blow your horn at intersections.